We think of medicine as science, research, innovation, healthcare. But behind every pill, every treatment, every approval, there is an empire. A network of private labs, regulatory alliances, financial giants, and lobby groups that shape the global health landscape long before the public ever sees a drug. Big Pharma doesn't just treat illness. It manages influence. This is the empire you were never meant to see. When investigators compared global drug launches, they noticed an unusual pattern. Treatments appeared in multiple countries with identical pricing structures, identical marketing language, and identical regulatory timing. Different nations, but the same choreography. Dig deeper, and the same financial groups, the same consulting teams, the same offshore research hubs appeared behind them all. Innovation wasn't organic, it was synchronized. Behind major pharmaceutical brands exist private laboratories that do not carry the company's name. These labs specialize in early-stage molecule testing, classified biotech research, proprietary genetic studies, confidential clinical trials, and risk analysis for billion-dollar drugs. They operate offshore, often in jurisdictions with weaker oversight. The public sees a finished product. They never see the decades of hidden research behind it. Regulatory agencies are supposed to protect the public, but internal documents show a revolving door between regulators and the companies they oversee. Executives become regulators. Regulators become executives. Consultants become advisors. Advisors become lobbyists. The system becomes circular, a closed architecture where oversight is diluted and alignment benefits those at the top. Approval is not just a scientific process. It is a network negotiation. Big Pharma maintains one of the most powerful lobbying machines on the planet. Lobbyists influence drug approval timelines, safety standards, pricing regulations, patent extensions, healthcare reforms, and public health messaging. Bills are written by teams connected to pharmaceutical networks long before politicians see them. Lobbying doesn't inform policy, it directs it. Drug pricing seems chaotic, but it follows a predictable pattern. Confidential agreements reveal artificial scarcity strategies, strategic supply interruptions, patented price ladders, cross-border arbitrage, offshore profit shifting, and complex rebate chains. Price increases don't follow cost. They follow leverage. The goal is not accessibility. It is control of margins across global markets. The pharmaceutical world does not operate alone. Private documents show deep alliances with insurance conglomerates, an ecosystem where treatments are pushed, premiums adjusted, coverage expanded or restricted, alternatives excluded, and incentives aligned silently. Patients see choices. The system sees revenue optimization. The architecture ensures that all roads lead back to the same stakeholders. Many medical foundations appear philanthropic, but function as strategic engines. They influence research funding, university partnerships, global health narratives, media coverage, policy direction, and long-term scientific agendas. They decide what the world studies, what the world fears, and what the world ignores. Influence disguised as charity. Attempts to expose Big Pharma's hidden empire met predictable barriers. Research papers withdrawn, whistleblowers discredited, trials sealed, data classified, audits halted. Legal pressure applied instantly, labs quietly restructured. Big Pharma does not deny its influence architecture. It hides it through complexity and institutional silence. Why build such an extensive hidden network? Because controlling medicine means controlling public health, national policy, global crisis response, long-term scientific direction, market dependencies, population behavior, and economic cycles. Medicine is not just a service. It is a strategic asset that shapes the world more quietly than any other industry. Is Big Pharma a healthcare provider or a global empire? Are drugs priced by cost or by strategy? Are public health decisions scientific or orchestrated? The truth doesn't lie in medical journals. It lies in the networks operating behind them. If you're ready to uncover the next layer of global power, subscribe to the Hidden Codex and tell us what you believe Big Pharma controls next.